Now, Balu and Pandu comic second part goes like this. Here, Balu is seen taking Pand to school on his scooty. Pand is seen sitting on Balu's lap, holding his dad's hand and keeping the other hand on headlight. Now it is Sunday morning, 10 o'clock. Pond is seen sitting in living room on sofa, thinking about something. He kept some thick paper beside him on sofa. Balu, returning from market with a big basket of wedges in his hands, saw him and asked, Pond, why so dull? Now Balu settled in sofa and he is going through the newspaper. Pond slowly came near him, stood by his side, and gave him the thick paper, saying, Test paper, Papa. Balu looked surprisingly. Pond gave the test paper to Balu and stood somewhat sadly with little fear in his eyes. Balu looked into the test paper where 3 marks out of 10 were awarded to his kid. Much to Pand's surprise, Balu exclaimed, 3 answers correct? Now, break to the comic Balu and Pandu Part 2. Now, second part of the thriller Sugar Candy starts. On receiving the tip-off from Hemant, Alex gang informer, Rambo gang hitman makes a sudden entry into the third floor flat of Mr. Ganesh, RRV apartments. Aiming his gun to Mrs. Ganesh, he shouts, Madam, hands up, don't move. Hand over me yesterday's courier pack, or else we'll shoot at you. Mrs. Ganesh obeys him first, but after a little while, she runs out panically, screaming, Help! Help! She jumps out of the main door, falls on the floor, gets up, and runs. Then the hitman, chasing her, shoots at her back twice. Dhan! Dhan! Exactly by that time, lift in flat corridor is going up towards fourth floor, and Ganeshan, going to fourth floor, gauges through lift view panel this ghastly scene. Immediately, Ganeshan rushes to his flat, drags his wife Andal out, and moves out by steps. Now we see the other mafia gang chief, Alex, in his den with his men. Wearing a brown suit with cigar in his mouth, he is speaking in phone with Hemant, their informer. By his side, his men are standing. Conversation in phone goes like this. Boss, Hemant this side. What's new, Hemant? Alex asks. Boss, as in our plan, I am misleading Rambo gang's hitman regarding the correct address of narcotic drugs package. Hemant said. Oh, great. Well done, Hemant. Alex S. applauded. Now, third part of Sugar Candy next week. Until then, bye bye.